I should probably get up on that hill. Do this. Come here, kitty. I don't want to do that. No, I don't want that. Shut up. Shut up. I don't care about you. I don't care about you. I'm not feeding you. Your owner's gonna have to. Kiki. Oh, my break ended. That's all I gotta say. Now time to do YouTube. Oh, I don't wanna. I want Caleb to call me. My boyfriend to call me. I want my B-friend to call me. I want my BF to call me. Idiot. 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 Come on. Run from me. Run from me. It's wait. Evil. I'm an evil little brat. That's not what I love these for. Yep. The song called Still Kidding. Don't try to climb the tree, it's dangerous. You can fall and break something even though cats are in their legs. Or feet, whatever it's called. These for. So why did I I bet almost everyone who has an account for Facebook and stuff like that probably had lied about their age. For instance, I had a 2002 for Twitter. And I also had to do 19 something for an online game. Because I had cussing and I'm like, fuck you. I love my life. Kind of. It could be a little boring. Sometimes though, just sometimes. Should I be nice or not? And then who wants to take control? But that's not, but I would rather fly so low. I can't remember the whole song. I swear, if I see a net, stupid acorns. You hit me, you die. Ah, I gotta explode. I wish. Oh, you couldn't see that. Shut up. Shut up, Mike. Why aren't the headphones? Bangers, I'm still alive, surprisingly. Luckily, because I have a boyfriend, which I'm just waiting for him to call. Come here, kitty. I'm still alive, surprisingly. Then he wants to take control. Don't lick my toes. That's right. No. I might bring you inside and leave you outside. You might stay outside. I'm sorry, but she's adorable. Fucking. Yeah, I've been taking a break from YouTube for a while. And now it's time to stop doing the breaks. Because I have to figure out a way to change my YouTube name. No, by the way, I changed my profile. If you ever want to find me on... If you want to friend me on or follow me on Twitter, Instagram... I can't give away my Facebook, but... My Instagram and Twitter is easily Wolfie Gamer with the same profile as my YouTube channel. So... That's one way to follow me. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. You just scratching me earlier, just scratching on this arm. And I don't think you can see the cut, but it's a scar. I cannot remember that freaking song. I know how to do this. I'm gonna go download something else.